Hello everyone! Today I would like to show you guys how to make honey glazed pork jerky. It's very easy to make and it's very tender and juicy. Now let's see what ingredients we need today. We need 1 pound of ground pork, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 5 teaspoons of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of white wine, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of 5 spice powder and 2 teaspoons of white pepper, 2 tablespoons of honey and some for glazing, and 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds. Now let's get started. Add in the brown sugar, fish sauce, rice wine, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, 5 spice powder, white pepper, and honey. Then mix well together. Now, put in the ground pork in the marinade sauce and mix well together. Put it in the container. Cover and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, but preferably overnight. Preheat the oven to 365 degrees. Now, place the ground pork on top of the parchment paper and use a spatula to flatten the ground pork. Just like this. Now, place a plastic wrap on top of the ground pork and use a rolling pin to roll the ground pork to the desired thickness. For your pork jerky, try to roll it evenly so it will come out the same thickness. Now, transfer it to the baking pan. The size of the baking pan I'm using today is 14 inch by 10 inch. Let's put it in the oven and bake it for 365 degrees for 12 minutes. Now, let's get the juice out from the pan with a spoon. Let's glaze some honey on top of the pork jerky. Then, put it back to the oven and bake for 5 minutes. Now, let's put another parchment paper on top, just like this, and flip it over to the other side. And let it bake for another 5 minutes. Again, we're going to glaze some honey on top as well on this side. And we're gonna sprinkle some sesame seeds on top, just like this. We're gonna put it back to the oven and bake for another 5 minutes. Now, our honey glazed pork jerky is ready. Looks yummy. Let it cool down a little bit, and then we're going to use scissors to cut it into the desired shape. Just like this. The freshly made pork jerky is ready to eat.
Wow, can't wait to try this. It's really tender and juicy. If you like my mom's channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on that bell notification so you never miss another video. Bye!